What up, guys? So today I'm gonna do like a little POV drive, cruising with a few homies. Right now I'm gonna meet up with Chris and Jason. I don't know if he's bringing his FRS or BRZ, and then Jason has a F31 3 Series wagon. We're gonna cruise in the back roads a little bit and then stop somewhere, get some pictures of the sunset. Should be pretty sick. I also did end up tuning my car with the MHD GTS flash. It says rated at 500 horsepower, so see how that feels back there. And then the car actually sounds a lot different. I did add some aggressive burbles. Nothing crazy, but does sound a lot different. Sounds pretty sick actually, so I'll get some sound clips as well. Damn, thing looks crazy. He just threw some TEs on there. Dude, it looks so sick in this lighting. Previous COVID head.
Yeah.
Got Chris Borquist. He's a stats guy now. Everybody's all here. Now we're gonna get ready to go to the back roads, take some pictures, go for a little drive. Chris is actually running like -9 in the front and -6 camber in the rear now, so that dude's not gonna be driving fast for sure. Wonder how his car feels. Yeah, he's actually driving fast. He was talking about, oh, I'm scared to drive fast with stretched tires. Bruh. Damn, this lighting is insane.